Welcome to another episode on crypto and stocks. So let's get started with the first news. The news is about Polyplex, one of the stock listed in the Indian stock market, and they have declared interim dividend of 35 rupees. Also, the results have been good for the last quarter as well. The next news is about how much CAGR you need to make 10x and 100x. So if you earn 26% CAGR, that is compounded annual interest rate in 10 years, so every year you have to grow your money by 26%. So if you do this for 10 years, your money will grow by 10x. And if you grow your money by 26% CAGR for 20 years, your money will grow by 100x. That means 1 crore will become 100 crores. If you get one stock, that will give you CAGR of 26% in 20 years. And I think if you can find out such stocks, then you can easily get multi-baggers. So you don't need a lot of stocks. Even if you find out like 4 or 5 stocks, quality stocks, which you can think that they can grow by 26% CAGR, then nobody is going to stop you from making 10x or 100x returns. So that's about it. The next news is about the SpaceX. So SpaceX is saying that they have got 250k Starlink user terminals. That means 250k customers they have got, and which means that it can translate to $25 million per month recurring revenue. So every month they can get the revenue of $25 million per month, because 250k users will be using their services at this point of time, and this number will keep on growing. And that's the reason I'm very bullish on SpaceX and all the companies headed by Elon Musk. And I also hold Tesla shares as well, and rest of the companies are not listed, so I'm not able to purchase the stocks. But as soon as they will list, especially the SpaceX, I'll be the first person to go ahead and buy these SpaceX stocks. The next tweet is done by Muthu Krishnan, and he's saying that Freshwork is one of the company listed on the Nasdaq, and when it got listed, it got listed at $43.50, but currently it is trading at $18.41. That means you can see it is down by more than 50% at this point of time, and huge erosion in value. But I'm very bullish on this particular company, especially because of the person that is heading this particular company. That's why I'm bullish, and I think right now is a really great opportunity to ramp up the positions. So maybe by the end of this month I'll be ramping up my position in this particular stock. So I'll also show you when I'm purchasing this particular stock on Interactive Broker as well. The next news is about the Tesla, and what Tesla is saying is that non-Tesla vehicles can now charge at all superchargers in Netherlands via Tesla app. So before today, what was happening is that only Tesla vehicles were able to charge charge at the superchargers network. But now even the cars that have not been manufactured by the Tesla, they can also charge their vehicles in Tesla supercharger networks. So that will get like more revenues for the Tesla. Next is about the Cardano and the Polkadot. So they have started trading on Frankfurt's stock exchange. The next news is about the Hdfc group in India. So in Hdfc there are a lot of other stocks like HDFC, then HDFC Bank, HDFC Life Insurance, HDFC Asset Management Company, and most of the stocks haven't given good returns in the last couple of years. And you can see group market cap has eroded by 3.5 lakh crore in 5 months. So this is really a quality franchisee or a company or the stocks in India. And I think since they haven't given good returns in the last 1 or 2 years, which means this is the absolutely right time to ramp up your positions, because these companies will not stay at these prices for a long time. In next 1 year or 2 year, they will definitely bounce back, because they are really quality companies. The next is about the Netflix and the Disney Plus. So Netflix stock price has nosedive in last month, last 2-3 weeks. There was a crash of around 25 to 30% in this particular stock, and the reason being there has been a lot of competition, especially the Disney Plus. You can see 130 million subscribers. To get 130 million subscribers, Netflix required 11 years, but Disney Plus has done that in just 2 years. So in just 2 years, Disney Plus subscribers have gone up by 130 million, and that's why Netflix is facing the hit of the competition from Disney Plus and all other broadcasters as well. Next is from the Australian Security Exchange, ASX, is saying that they will list more crypto businesses. So there is good news, confidence boosting news for the investors, crypto investors. Next is YouTube. This is how it looked like when it was firstly launched in 2005. So you can see how basic it was in 2005, but right now YouTube is growing like crazy at mind-boggling space. Next is gross margins in the past year. So some of the companies that have highest margins out of be 88% margins. That means if they sell the product for say $100, out of that $88 will be the profit for the company. And similarly, Intuit 83% margin, Facebook 81%, Airbnb 81%, Oracle 80%, Zoom 75%, Salesforce 74%, EC 70%, Microsoft, Twitter, Nvidia. So all these companies have really good margins, and that's why they are profitable. The next news is about the Vidhi Specialty, another company listed in the Indian stock markets, and they have shown a really good year-on-year growth. Next news is about the JP Morgan executive taking the CEO role at Algorand Foundation. So Algorand is another cryptocurrency. So you can see like people from prestigious financial institutions like JP Morgan are joining the cryptocurrency firms, and that's why you don't need to worry when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. Make sure that you are investing in quality cryptocurrencies, especially the top 25 if you consider the market cap. And that way you will make sure that you are not investing in the fraud or the scam currencies. That's it in today's video. If you have more questions, do let me know, and I'll see you in next video. Till then, enjoy your time.